Good day. I'm Mary Joy Ruiz Godoy, a child development worker at the Mamperes Child Development Center. Before attending the seminar workshop on layout design and instructional material creation offered by Villasis Municipal Library, my instructional materials were basic and someone lacked the visual appeal needed to keep my young learners engaged. But after completing the series of workshops, I've seen a significant improvement in my ability to create more effective and attractive materials. I've learned advanced techniques including proper image editing and enhancement, creating balanced, child-friendly layouts, choosing appropriate color schemes and fonts that make learning materials more enjoyable. Because of these improvements, my instructional materials are now more organized, visually appealing, and engaging for children. My students have shown more enthusiasm during lessons, and their focus and participation have noticeably increased. I've also become more confident in experimenting with design elements and creating interactive learning tools that better support the development of young minds. Moving forward, I plan to continue applying and expanding those skills, ensuring that the learning materials I create will only be educational but also exciting and visually stimulating for the children.